Hi, my name is Jack, and today I'm going to show you how to add an agent on your Kixie account. We'll start off by going to Kixie.com. On the right-hand side of the screen, we'll select the login button, and we'll enter our login credentials. This is going to pull us through to our Kixie dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, we're going to select the Manage tab. Underneath Manage, we'll select Agents to be pulled to our Manage Agents page here. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll notice the blue Add button. Go ahead and select this to pull up the Add Agent window, and this is where we're going to enter in our new agent's information. So we're good here. We'll enter in the first name, the last name, and the email for our Kixie agent here. You'll notice that the outbound caller ID name is going to default to the first and last name that you enter, but you can go ahead and edit this as well if you'd like it to read as your business. You'll select the country for your agent. We'll get to caller ID just naturally by adding a phone number to the account. The user type, this is going to be whether your user is just a regular user, a manager, or an admin. You can go ahead and enter in a password for your agent. And then down here at the bottom, this is where you're going to select the specific products for your agent. So are they going to be on the professional or integrated tier? Are they going to be on a per minute or unlimited plan? Are they going to use a power dialer? And if so, which tier? The single line, the 4-line, the 10-line, or AI human detect? And then finally, if they are going to have access to connection boost or not. On the left-hand side here, the next step is to actually get them a number so that this outbound caller ID will populate for you. And then we're going to select this, search a specific area code you would like for this agent, and then go ahead and hit search. This will pull up every available number for that particular area code. You can go ahead and select any one that suits you. Go ahead and select Add Agent once you're done at the bottom of the screen. This is going to pull up this window to show you the price of your agent. Go ahead and review and then confirm, and we'll hit save. And you're good. Your agent is added and ready to start dialing with Kixie. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to view more videos like this.